अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है दैट्स फॉर द 9th class and it's from the history book and the name of the chapter is Forest Society and Colonialism. This is chapter number 5th. So far we have covered the 4 chapters also. Forest Society and Colonialism. What is Forest Society? Forest Society, these are the people who live in the forest to survive their life. वो लोग जो बैक इन द डेज जंगलों में रहा करते थे अपनी जिंदगी को सर्वाइव करने के लिए, वहां पे इनको फूड प्रोविजंस मिलते थे, या they used to get some kind of medicines from the forests to actually sell these medicines in the markets to get something out from these items that they used to get from the forests. And this is forest society. They used to live in the forests actually. And another term is colonialism. So the name of the chapter is Forest Society and Colonialism. Forest society is a group of people or the people who used to live in the forests back in the days. Now colonialism means subjugation of one powerful country or another country that's a poor country, we may say. In our case, it's British colonial rule on India. And in this chapter, we are going to read about the exploitation of the British rule on India in terms of forest society. Or what was the role of British in exploiting the forest resources of the India. Coming up to the topic, फॉरेस्ट सोसाइटी इन एक्चुअली हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो ये है कि फॉरेस्ट जो डिफॉरेस्टेशन जो हुई है बैक इन ब्रिटिश ड्यू टू द ब्रिटिश रूल, व्हाई इट हैपेंड ऑन अ मैसिव स्केल पे डिफॉरेस्टेशन क्यों हुई, जो हमारे बहुत सारे रीजन है उसकी जाए पहले हम देखते हैं टॉपिक ओपनस विद the advantage of forests, how much important a forest is for us. You can understand from the topic that you read in the book. Forest provides us, for example, all the materials that you use in the classroom are made of the food. You get the medicines from the foresters. You get the oil from the foresters. You get different kinds of diverse things getting from the foresters. But the problem is that these different things that we get from these foresters, these diversities are getting diminished day by day. It is due to the deforestation. And now, what is the cause of deforestation and why did this deforestation happen in the British rule? You can see between 1700 to 1995, 9.3% of the total area of the world was cleared for cultivation. Means 1995 तक almost 10% of the total area जो दुनिया का है वो that was brought under the cultivation. यही वजह है कि forests to bring the more and more land under the cultivation, you will have to clear off the forests. You have to clear a large amount of the forests to make that land under cultivation or to bring that land under cultivation. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, why deforestation? Actually question is why deforestation? British rule में deforestation क्यों ज़्यादा हुई? Why it happened on a massive scale? हमारा क्या है, फर्स्ट जो पॉइंट इसका है, इसके बहुत सारे रीजंस हैं. आज हम हमारा एक ही पॉइंट डिस्कस होगा आज, लैंड टू बी इम्प्रूव्ड. पहला जो उन्होंने एक्चुअली पॉइंट दिया था कि why deforestation is taking place, they gave the concept that land is to be improved. Means you can see in 1600, 1/6 of the land was cleared was under cultivation. Sixth land means you can see this 1/6 portion of the land, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This only portion of the India was under cultivation. But now it's almost 50% of the total area of the India is under cultivation. You can understand the improvement, the land that was brought for cultivation. In 1600, it was only 6 portion of the land under cultivation, but now it is 50%. That means large amount of land is brought under cultivation. So land is to be improved. Land is to be improved. Why? Because if there is increase in population, there's a tremendous increase in population. You can see it after 1975, there was a population explosion. You can see. So there's increase in population. When there's increase in population, there's increase in demand of the food supplies. When there is increase in the demand of food supplies, peasants had to extend the boundaries of the cultivation. That means you will have to get the more and more land under cultivation to feed this tremendous increase in population. To feed this growing population, you will have to clear the more and more land under cultivation. That's why land was improved to feed this tremendous growing population, to this population explosion that took place in 1975. So British rule, during British rule, plantation of commercial crops like jute, sugar, wheat and cotton expanded. What happened actually, British considered forests as futile and unproductive land. They brought the more and more land of forests under cultivation to get the cash crops actually. They got jute, sugar, wheat and cotton expanded. That's why, because there was industrialization that took place in the British or the European countries to actually get the raw material from, they would get it from the British, they would get it from the India in the form of jute, sugar, wheat and cotton. That's why this land expanded. This more and more land was brought into cultivation to feed the growing population in the Europe. And another reason is that growing urban population demanded more food. Now you have urban areas, because those areas which actually live in cities, they don't have the cultivable land. They don't cultivate the land there. They don't get the production from the land there. So you will have to, they will get it from the villages. Now you will have to feed this growing population that's in the urban areas. You will have to feed them in the city, and the people that live in the towns and the cities. That's why you will have to increase more and more land for cultivation to feed this growing population of the urban areas. This is another point that deforestation took place. Another problem is colonial government brought land under cultivation on massive scale because they took forests as unproductive. Now, this is another point. Colonial government, British government brought more and more land under cultivation because they thought, they realized that actually the forests are futile land. This is actually barren land, is of no use to them. So they brought cleared of the forest on the massive scale. Another point, expansion of cultivation was seen as a sign of progress. Now, the country who used to have more land under cultivation would consider themselves as more developed and more, and they would consider that it to be a more progressive nature. So यहाँ पे क्या होता था, जिस मुल्क में ज़्यादा लैंड कल्टिवेशन के लिए लाया जाता था, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लैंड कल्टिवेशन के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता, that country was known as developed and progressive. So British saw it as a sign of progress to bring more and more land under cultivation. So this is actually the point number one. This is opening of the chapter, why deforestation took place during the British rule. And tomorrow we are going to read another two points, that why the land was cleared for more and more cultivation. Thanks for today.